High-speed motor. The 1/3 hydrogen phosphide, 1900 rpm, 115 V. Permanent magnet motor jams less. Easy installation and cleaning. Easy mount for a quick and easy kitchen sink installation. Removable splashguard for easy cleaning. 2-year protection. 2-year limited warranty. Current amps. 4.0 Hz, 60. Drain connection size 1.5-inch drain pipe. No electrical expertise needed. Pre-installed power cord, no electrical work required. Lightweight. Compact and lightweight garbage disposer saves space under the sink. Top reviews from the United States. Just like that, a tidy sink basket. My builder suggested that I never install a disposer because of my septic tank and the issues that would cause using one. All I wanted was to be able to get rid of the little tidbits instead of dumping the little stuff every time I use the sink. Now a happy camper, I don't use it for anything big. That was not the desire. The disposer is so quiet that I almost want to put my hand inside to make sure it is working, but not quite.